Now question 3. Galina's long jump is nearly 7 meters, 7.5 meters, 8 meters. Galina's long jump. So here let's see where is Galina. Here Galina's long jump is nearly means close. It is close to 7 meters, 7.5 meters, 8 meters. From these we have to choose the correct answer. Look at her jump. 7 meter 52 centimeters. 7 meter 52 centimeters. So she crossed 7 meter more she did, so we cannot take the 7 meters. Then in 1 meter 100 centimeter, no children. Then half meter 50 centimeter. Even see half also she crossed because 52 centimeter. 7 meter more she did. Then centimeter also, how much centimeter? 52 centimeter, that is more than 50, more than half meter also. So second option also not possible because they gave 7.5 meter. 7.5 meter means what? 50 centimeter. But she secured more than 50, no? So 52 centimeter means, so it is close to 8 meters only. 7 meter 52 centimeter is close to 8 meters. Suppose instead of 52, like 49, 45 centimeter, 48 centimeter or 35 centimeter, like that comes means we can take it as 7.5 meter because it is close to 50. But now it is crossed 50, no children, so we cannot take 7.5 meters. So we are taking 8 meters is the right answer. What is the question? Galina's jump is nearly means close to 8 meters. So the right solution is 8 meters. See, like this another example, Anju G. Anju G's long jump is close to, can you tell 6 meters or 7 meters or 6.5 meters? 6 meters definitely not because she jumped more than 6 meters. 6 meters 83. 6.5 half means 6 meter 50 centimeter. That is also not possible because 83 centimeter, more than 50 centimeter she secured. So it is close to 7 meter. So like that only we can calculate that close to. Then fourth question, look at the women's world records. Okay, women's world records. What is the difference? Women's world record means high jump and long jump. What is the difference between the longest jump and the highest jump? They are talking about the women's world record only, children. They are talking about the women's world record. The difference. What is the difference mean? What do? We subtract. So we are going to find the difference between the longest jump and the highest jump. So it is direct question. So we are finding the difference. And as I said already, when we are going to find difference, when we are going to subtract, the greater value must be brought first. Is it or not? So now we are going to find the difference between the longest jump and the highest jump. First you compare which value is greater. 7 meter 52 centimeter, 2 meter 9 centimeter. So here you compare the first values because meter only greater value. No, so here 7 meter, here 2 meter. So which is greater? Galina's, that is longest jump only. So we are going to subtract 7 meter 52 centimeter minus 2 meter 9 centimeter. Let's see the subtraction. 7 meter 52 centimeter, 2 meter 9 centimeter. How do we write, children? 0, 9. Is it or not? How do we write? 0, 9. Okay, let's subtract. From 2 you cannot take away 9. So you are borrowing from 5. This becomes 4 and this 2 becomes 12. So 12 minus 9, 13. Then here 4 remains. Now 4 minus 0. From 4 nothing is there to take away. So 4 only. Then 7 minus 2, 5. So what is the difference between the longest jump and highest jump in women's world record? 5 meter 43 centimeter. Next question, fifth question. If Mike P could jump dash centimeters longer, his jump would be full 9 meter. This question only I asked as homework, yesterday's homework I think. Is it or not, children? Just you go through that. Mike P, if Mike P could jump dash centimeters longer, his jump would be full 9 meters. What are they telling? If he jumps, we don't know how much centimeters jump he should do more to equal to make it full 9 meter. Because 8 meter 95 centimeter, it is close to 9 meter. So they are asking, so how much centimeter is needed to make it full 9 meters. So let's see. Here also what are we going to do? Subtract only. So Mike P long jumps record 8 meter 95 centimeter. He has to reach how much more centimeter is required to make full 9 meter. So it's 9 meter minus 8 meter 95 centimeter. Here also we are finding the difference because we are comparing only, children. Comparing question always subtraction. How much centimeter more, how many centimeter less, or who jumped higher, who jumped lesser, by how much. Like this questions are always comparing question and subtraction only. So we are going to subtract, and Mike P's jump is 8 meter 95 centimeter and he has to reach 9 meter. So which is greater? 9 meter only. From that we are subtracting. Let's see. 9 meter, how can we change into centimeter? 900 centimeter. Then this 8 meter 95 centimeter we are writing into, we are converting into centimeters. 8 meter is 800 centimeter plus 95 centimeter. So 895 centimeter. See that previous fourth question we did another way subtraction, that is in column wise meter centimeter. Like that also can be done. Or converting the given meter and centimeter into centimeter, then we can subtract. Both are possible. So here how we are subtracting, this 9 meter we are converting into centimeter, that is 900 centimeter. Then this 8 meter 95 centimeter, how do we convert? 8 meter is 800 centimeter plus this is already centimeter 95. So 895 centimeter. So let's find the difference. So 900 minus 895. The solution is just 5 centimeter. So Mike P jumps 5 centimeter longer to equal to complete that 9 meters jump. Sixth question. Whose high jump is very close to 2.5 meters? Whose high jump? They are asking about only high jump, children. Just leave about the long jump. They are asking about the high jump. High jump men, high jump women. So there are 4 persons. High jump men 2 persons. High jump women 2 persons. What is the question? Whose high jump is very close, that is near to 2.5 meter. 2.5 meter means 2 meter and 50 centimeter. Half meter means 50 centimeter. No? So whose jump, particularly high jump, whose high jump is very close to 2 meter 50 centimeter. Let's see. Only we are going to see high jump men and high jump women because they gave here high jump only. So Javier S 2 meter 45 centimeter. Then Chandrapal 2 meter 17 centimeter. Then next to high jump women 2 meter 9 centimeter, 1 meter 91 centimeter. Children, just you are comparing the high jump men and women category. 4 person Javier, Chandrapal, Stefka, Bobby. These 4 persons jump only we are comparing. And the question is, whose jump is very close to 2.5 meter? 2.5 meter means 2 meter 50 centimeter. You just say, children, 2 meter 9 centimeter, 1 meter 91 centimeter, 2 meter 17 centimeter, 2 meter 45 centimeter. Which value is close to 2 meter 50 centimeter? Yes, Xavier S measure only. Xavier S measure only. It is close to 2.5 meters. Because the other measures 2 meter 17, 1 meter 91, 2 meter 9 centimeter and all, it is not close to 50 centimeter. Is it or not? So 2.5 meter measure is close to Xavier S. So that is the right answer.